Making pretty good week. It looked like actually, our government was, working. There seemed to be some movement, some discussion, some consensus, and the market seemed to be responding accordingly. Is that how you saw it?
Yeah, it was actually a great week for the market. You're 100% correct. The market responded well to President Trump reaching across the aisle with the debt ceiling. There's talk of we'll see a tax reform by the end of the year, as well as possibly backdating it to the beginning of the year, which was the market really liked. And, there's been no world news. North Korea was pretty silent till Friday morning when they fired a missile across Japan, but that really had no effect in the market. And then we had technical news on the market itself, on the charts, where the S&P closed right at 2,500, which is a very big level. So overall, a really nice week in the market.
Yeah, good week indeed. But Mickey, I wanted to ask you, there's been reports that we might see actually a negative gross domestic product figure for this quarter as a result of the hurricanes. Has the market already factored that in, or can we see that affecting it in the future?
Well, look at it this way. The market was up because Irma did much less damage than expected. So to answer your question, it's not going to affect the market. It's already been factored in, and the fact that Irma was much better than expected in terms of damage. It was still horrible. Don't let me downplay that. But the damage done was financially was not nearly as bad as expected, is why the market really rallied and the insurance companies rallied, which helped push the market to these highs.
Got it. Thanks, Mickey. Okay, moving forward, though, what kind of events could we see affecting the market in the future? What are you looking at here 2-3 weeks from now?
Well, the only thing that was interesting, in my opinion, were two things. One, we talked about was the S&P closing right at 2,500, which is a huge number from a technical basis, which is, the stock charting, which is all the traders on the floor are looking at stock charts. All the traders in big offices look at stock charts. So we're going to see what happens on Monday. If we break through and hold above that, we should see another leg up in this rally. If we kind of break through and fall back, we could see a little pullback and then test it a little while later. What also I found to be interesting was the CPI was a little higher than expected, and that means inflation is starting to inch up, which is why the bank stocks rallied all week. And now they're talking the chance of a December rate hike is up to about 50%. Now you take those numbers with a grain of salt, because we get economic news out all the time, and those numbers could change instantly. But that's one thing that's kind of out there, and that could cause a little volatility in the market. But in all reality, if things keep going the way they are without the political news, without the world news, really we'll probably keep inching higher until we hit earnings season, which isn't until October. So we've got some nice momentum and wins behind us to push the market a little higher here.
Well, I guess we'll all take a breath then and not necessarily be so concerned about what's next. In the meantime, though, this really gives people a good opportunity to sort of look at how they're investing their portfolio, whether to start. And Mickey, I know you're always gracious with your time on that one. How can people get a hold of you if they have any questions?
Email me directly, Mickey, M-I-C-K-E-Y, @Envestim, ENVESTIM.com. Follow us on Facebook, our Envestim page, where they can also see our daily market recap, where I do a quick video and just talk about the market each day. And they can leave questions about the market right on our Envestim page as well, which will be answered on our daily market recap. And they can also follow us on our Twitter page @Envestim1.
Mickey, thanks as always. Talk next week.
Thanks a lot, David. Look forward to it.